Hello YouTubers, this is a special video made special to thank all the people from the Twitter and all the communities of South Africa who has subscribed for me. As from the 20th, I met a special lady called Emily Mashila. She has recommended me to her daughter Mpho Mwalamedi, also known as Luna M on Twitter account. She has recommended me to the community of Twitter who has subscribed and made me to move from less than 200 subscribers to over 15.3 and counting thousand subscribers. Thank you very much for that. I'd love to say thank you very much, Mpho, and from today I am going to refer you as my guardian angel, as your followers on Twitter has said you are my guardian angel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What you have done to me can never be undone. As a result of your work, I have bagged an interview which will be on the 25th of September, which will be Thursday, tomorrow morning at 6:40 on Cape Talk radio station, which is going to, you can catch it on 885 on DSTV, and I will put the link for those who will be not home at that time to watch it on the radio, to listen it on the radio, and I will put it on the description, the link for you to catch me on that day. Thank you very much. On that note, next week Thursday, I still have another interview with Power Radio, which is going to be on 4:40 a.m. Please do join us. It is going to be on Tuesday, 4:40 a.m. Thank you very much. This is a special thank you very much to you, my guardian angel. Without you and the whole community of Twitter, I wouldn't be where I am today. I am so head over heels. I am happy. I'm over the moon with my work that I'm doing. You made me to love my work. Also, to respond to my people who are on the YouTube, who went to watch my videos. Some of them asked me to do cyclic geometry. So today I'm going to do cyclic geometry from today onwards up until we finish it up, so that I meet the demands of the population of my angels who just made my day this week. Thank you very much. I can't thank you enough. All right, as we are going forward, I need to start doing, as per request, what they wanted me to do. We are doing cyclic geometry. I want to keep on reminding you that please subscribe and share the video. You have done more than I can say. Thank you very much. I am so very much happy. My guardian angel, thank you very much. Twitter community, thank you very much. Right, today we are going to start doing cyclic geometry. Cyclic geometry, in order for us to do cyclic geometry, for us to do cyclic geometry, we have to do theorem. We have to do theorems, but we are going to start with theorem 1. Theorem 1 says a line segment joining the center joining the center of a circle to their midpoint of a chord. Is perpendicular to the chord. Right. This statement needs you to understand it. In order for you to understand it, you must know that that theorem 1 needs to be understood by you as a metric candidate. Also grade 11, they also fit here, but this is specially for metric. Right, you are given a circle. Let me draw it as big. Let me draw it here. Right, this is what we are given. Let me write the given here. Given, we are given a cycle with center O, center O, M is a point on the chord. That chord is called AB, such that AM is equal to MB. Now, as the statement says, we are given the circle with center O. Here is the center O, with M. Here, let's say our M is going to be here. We have A, B, and M, such that AB, this is your M, AM is equals to MB. This is what we are given. You are given the circle with center O. This is your circle with center O. M is the point on the chord AB. Here is your M, such that AM is equals to MB. This point M bisects AB into equal parts AM and MB. Right. We are required to prove RTP means required to prove we are required to prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. Right, before we can go and prove this, when they say something is perpendicular, they are referring to a right angle triangle, rather a 90 degrees, whereby say this is A, B, center M from center O. We must prove that OM is perpendicular to AB. In order for this perpendicular to hold water, we must find out that this is 90 degrees. OMB or OMA is 90 degrees. This is what we need to prove, required to prove. Right, for our proof, for us to prove, let us join OA and OB. That is a construction. In other words, you construct OA and OB. Right, for your proof, you start with a statement. Matrix, do not make this mistake. You put a statement, you put a reason. In geometry, if you give us a statement, there is no mark for a statement without a varied reason. So you're going to start like this. You say in triangle A O M and triangle O M B. We are considering this triangle, this one, and the one that is not shaded. We are considering this shaded triangle and the one that is not shaded. Right, we are going to state the following. OA is equals to OB. Remember, OA is in triangle shaded, OB is in the unshaded triangle. You must separate them like that. What is the reason for this? Because OA is a radius and OB is a radius. So you say radi. That is your reason. Statement number 2. AM is equals to MB. AM is equals to MB. What is the reason for this? We were given that, then automatically the third side must be equal. But we don't have an automatic because here we have OM is equals to OM because they are common. As it is common like that, therefore you can say, triangle. Now you go with me. OA, you have A, must come with an M. OAM. OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. What is the reason for that? Because we have 3 sides equal. Side, side, side. That is a condition. Therefore, from here, you can say that this triangle here, after having the side, 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 now you need to prove that but AMB is equals to 180 degrees. The reason for that is a straight line. A straight line is equals to 180 degrees. From there, you are going to say what? You are going to say AMB is 180 degrees, and you need to find that this is perpendicular. So you say that A and B this is 1, 2. You can say M1 is equals to M2. Reason? It is given as it is proved above. Then we can say M1 plus M2 is equals to 180 degrees. What is that? This is the same as AMB. It's a straight line. But because M1 is equals to M2, we can say M1 plus M1. We know that M2 is M1 is equals to 180 degrees. What is M1 plus M1? It's 2M1 is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, M1 is equals to 180 degrees divided by 2. You divide both sides by 2, the 2 cancels 2, 180 divided by 2, it's 90. Therefore, M1 is 90 degrees. If M1 is 90 degrees, therefore, OM is perpendicular to AB. Proven. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras is still coming with the theorem and proving of the theorem. Then we go straight to working the problems out. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras signing out.